Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows PC in 2026. First, open WhatsApp Desktop on your computer. If you don't have the app, you can install it from the official WhatsApp website or Microsoft Store. After opening WhatsApp Desktop, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings, then select Linked Devices. Tap Link a device and scan the QR code shown on your computer. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will open on the desktop. Now you can select any chat from the left side and start sending messages. To send a photo, video, or document, open a chat and click the plus icon or attachment button. Choose the file you want to send and click Send. You can also use the search option to quickly find a contact, chat, or message. To start a voice or video call, open a chat and use the call buttons at the top. You can also create a new chat by clicking the New Chat button and selecting a contact. Finally, to manage your WhatsApp desktop settings, click the Settings option and adjust the available options according to your preference. And that's how you can use WhatsApp Desktop on your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.